Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bonnie Coyle, Public Health Director for the Cabarrus Health Alliance, here with today's COVID-19 update for you. Through today, we've had 218 cases of COVID-19. We've had 7 deaths and we've had 82 recoveries. Many of you are well aware now of the steps you have to take to protect yourself, such as washing your hands frequently and socially distancing from others, keeping at least 6 feet between you and others, and wearing a mask when you go out in public. But there's another way that you can protect yourself that you may not be thinking about, and we want to remind you of that, and that is through your nutrition. When we eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, we boost up our immunity, and that will help us to both fight off the COVID virus infection as well as help us to recover more quickly if we do indeed get infected. So the important thing to remember is that fruits and vegetables provide us the phytonutrients that will boost our immunity. So every meal you want to make sure you're including fruits and vegetables, trying to have about a half a plateful of fruits and vegetables several times a day. Some of the fruits and vegetables that are found to be most helpful in research studies are garlic and kiwi fruit and mushrooms. Green tea also is very helpful with phytonutrients. But remember, you don't want to just eat those foods. You want to eat lots of fruits and vegetables, lots of color, and that will help you in fighting the COVID-19 infection.